How to skip Linkvertise 60 minutes wait time step-by-step tutorial 2026. Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I am going to show you the official and legitimate ways to deal with Linkvertise wait times in Chrome in 2026. Let's get straight into it. What is Linkvertise real quick? Linkvertise is a link monetization platform that content creators use to earn money when people access their download links. The wait time you see is intentional, and it is how creators get paid. That said, there are completely legitimate ways to reduce or skip it officially. Official way 1. Create a free Linkvertise account. The first and most effective official method is simply creating a free Linkvertise account. When you are logged into a Linkvertise account, you automatically get a reduced wait time compared to browsing as a guest. Go to linkvertise.com, click sign up, create your free account, and log in before clicking any Linkvertise links. The wait time drops noticeably just from being a registered user. Official way 2. Upgrade to Linkvertise Premium. Linkvertise offers a premium membership that completely removes wait times across all links on the platform. If you regularly use Linkvertise links for downloading content or accessing resources, the premium plan is the official way to get instant access every single time with zero waiting. Check the Linkvertise website for current premium pricing and plans. Official way 3. Complete the tasks shown during the wait time. Linkvertise shows you tasks or offers you can complete to unlock the link faster. These are completely official and built into the platform on purpose. Look for any completed task or unlock faster option on the wait screen and follow the steps shown. Completing these tasks is the intended way to reduce your wait without needing any third-party tools. Official way 4. Use a supported browser properly. Make sure you are using an updated version of Chrome, with no conflicting extensions blocking Linkvertise from loading correctly. Sometimes ad blockers or script blockers interfere with the countdown timer and actually make the wait longer or freeze it entirely. Temporarily disable any ad blocker extensions while on a Linkvertise page, and the timer should run smoothly and complete on time. Official way 5. Whitelist Linkvertise in your ad blocker. If you regularly use Linkvertise links, the cleanest long-term solution is to whitelist the Linkvertise domain in your ad blocker. Open your ad blocker extension settings, find the whitelist or allow list section, and add Linkvertise.com. This lets the page run properly so the countdown completes without freezing or breaking, which is the most common reason people think the wait is longer than it actually is. And those are all the official legitimate ways to handle Linkvertise wait times in Chrome in 2026. Create a free account, consider premium for instant access, complete the on-screen tasks, disable conflicting extensions, or whitelist the site in your ad blocker. If this helped, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.